Hey guys, welcome back to my pink cat. My name is Ingrid. Welcome to the happiest and safest place on the internet today. You already read the title. You see the ears. We are making chocolate chip french fries. Earlier, last weekend, Disney World released the recipe, the vegan one, so I knew I had to get my hands on this one. Let me show you. They look extremely realistic, right? However, the recipe they share had soy and wheat. I am allergic to both, so I made this recipe without soy and without wheat. The Disney recipe says that we need 2-4 cups of all-purpose flour. Since I'm gluten-free, I'm going to be using a blend of flours. First, I'm going to add 2 cups of oat flour, and then I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of rice flour. Now I'm going to add half a cup and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. You can literally see the 1 tablespoon right there. Similarly, I need half a cup and 1 tablespoon of vegan butter. I honestly can't use vegan butter because I'm allergic to the ingredients this has. This is why I'm gonna substitute it for coconut oil. Once you mix it, let it sit and let's grab a separate bowl. Let's start by adding 7 tablespoons of warm water. You're gonna need to add 5 tablespoons of your egg replacer. The Disney recipe uses just egg, however, I'm also allergic to the ingredients this has. This is why I'm going to be using applesauce. Lastly, you need to add 1 tablespoon of molasses. I don't have it, so I'm actually not allergic to this one, but I'm gonna substitute it for 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Now that you have your mix, you're gonna add it into your batter. This is not a Disney step. However, it is a gluten-free required step when it comes to baking. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. This is just to thicken my dough, otherwise I'm gonna end up with crumbles. And this is the step we were all waiting for. Let me add half a cup of chocolate chips. These are actually top 8 allergen free. When I checked the original recipe, I got really excited about this step because honestly, I never have everything a recipe requires. Yet, for this one, I did have this 8x8 inch pan, and basically all you need to do is place your batter here and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Alright, 30 minutes later, and this is how it's looking. Look, this is actually hard. Look at that. The recipe says that we need to cut 4 inches. So I'm gonna use this as my ruler. And then it's asking to cut 16 fries in this side and 16 fries in this other side. Let's see how much I can do. So I needed 32, but I actually got 26. This is not bad. However, the fun part is gonna be getting this out of here. I'm gonna use this tray, and on top of this tray, I'm gonna add this baking sheet so that way I don't have to use any oil. While you're trying to figure out how to get your cookie dough out of the tray, go ahead and preheat your oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The key to get the best fries is for you to leave a space between them. So once your oven is ready, you can go ahead and bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. While you wait for your cookies to bake, you can start making some dipping sauces. Let me show you how to make a chocolate dipping sauce. It's like super simple. All I do is that I microwave a few chocolate chips for 45 seconds. And then I add my favorite plant-based milk. In this case, I actually had some oat chocolate milk. I had previously made some strawberry syrup. Basically, this is just strawberries with sugar. However, I'm gonna leave you in the card and also in the comment section below how to make this strawberry syrup. Look at these beauties, they didn't get burned. Oh my goodness, these are perfect. They're actually really hot, so what I'm gonna do right now is just let them cool down for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna show you how to serve them. Alright, I got my 2 dipping sauces and I have this container. However, I realized that it's just too tall, So that's why I'm gonna add this coffee filler. Can you believe how realistic they look? Honestly, I haven't tried them yet, so I'm very excited. So this is the ketchup. I mean, strawberry syrup, right? And then I have the melted chocolate. So I already did one of them, and it's time to try it. So good. Mm-mm-mm. I have no idea Disney World had vegan French fries. These are perfect. The dip, the dip is really good. They're so good. So let me explain you how they taste. I added xanthan gum, so that helps whenever you're cooking with gluten-free flours. It's going to help you thicken your dough. And it's actually soft, it's not crunchy. If you want to make them crunchy, just cook with oat flour. If you want them to be softer, then go ahead and add some rice flour. It's going to make it that effect. The best. Let's try it with the strawberry syrup. So good. I'm a chocolate lover, so of course I'm gonna go with the chocolate dip, but both of them are good. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I feel like all of you are gonna try this recipe. If you have the same allergies that I do, this recipe is going to be completely safe for you. I use coconut oil. Some of you I know that are allergic to coconut oil, but you're not allergic to soy. So maybe you can add that vegan butter, which is gonna have the same effect that the coconut oil has. If not, if you're allergic to both, keep on trying because I know that you're going to be able to make this recipe happen. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. You guys, it's the best. I'm really happy with how they turn out. Disney, thank you so much for sharing the recipe with us, especially during this quarantine. You need to bring a little bit of happiness into your house, so this was ideal. If you guys haven't subscribed to iPinker, make sure you do. All you need to do is click this red button down your screen. Make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and also leave me any comment sections. Leave me any comments in the comment section below, especially if you have allergies, if you want me to look into a substitute for one of the ingredients that I use. I would be more than happy to help you with that. And if you just want to let me know that this recipe was the best, then let me know. I'm going to link in the comment section below the original recipe from Disney. And then I'm going to link below the recipe that I modified so it can be completely allergen free. Top 8 free. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys!